Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we'll be showing you guys how to make an amazing avocado smoothie. It's very creamy and rich and it's just so beautiful and so tasty. So let's get started. Over here we have 2 avocados. We also have some milk. Next we have sugar, and you guys already know our sugar thing. And then you must have a blender to blend everything up all together. And then we have our knife and a spoon. So we're gonna start off by slicing our avocados in half. And then we turn them, and then we just take out the seed from the middle. It's a normal process. It's nothing too difficult. And then I did the other one like so. And yeah. So next, we'll be using our spoon to peel everything out except the skin from the avocado, and then just throw that into your blender. So just make sure you get everything out of that skin, because you want to enjoy each and every single piece of that avocado, because it just tastes so good. Okay, so now I placed all of the avocado into my blender, and then next I'll be adding milk to my blender. And milk gives it like a creamy texture. You get like vitamin D along with all the other nutrients. And then for me, because I don't like that much sugar, I added 3 teaspoons of sugar. And I feel like an avocado milkshake or smoothie, whatever, should be not too sugary, because you're trying to get the best out of it. You're trying to be really healthy, and just by adding sugar, you will be losing all the nutrients that you thought you would get. And look at that beauty, so creamy, so good. Okay, and as usual, yours should be looking like mine, and it should be thick and just creamy, and you know that it's done once you start to see bubbles from the top of the blender. And this is the final presentation. So you're just gonna pour it into your cup. Okay, and just be sure to fill up your cup with this avocado smoothie, or I should say avocado beauty. And I went ahead and placed a straw into the cup, and yeah, that's the final presentation. It looks so nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys loved this video, and please, please, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment on this video on what we should do next, if you guys have any suggestions for our channel, because we want to please everyone around the world and whoever's watching our channel. And please don't forget to share this video with family and friends, and just make sure everyone gets a taste of the avocado smoothie. Thank you guys so much. We love you all. See you guys next time. Bye.